Ganendra, and today I'll be showing you on how to make a pattern on Photoshop. So to start, click File and click New. Now you want to set the width to 300 pixels and the height to 300 pixels. So click OK. Now let's make a background. So to do that, click the bucket tool and click it on whatever color. See, I've set 2 colors here. Now what you want to do is you go to brush here and just draw any pattern. I'll just draw the S-shaped pattern, somewhat like this. And now once you've done this, click edit. Wait, I'm sorry, not edit. Yeah, edit, define pattern, and just do pattern 3. So the default. Now we close this, another layer. Click this, choose pattern, pattern fill, click OK. Now use the crop tool and make it larger, just make it a bit larger, and now we click enter. So that's how you make a pattern in Photoshop. Thank you.